Hey everybody, this is Mitchell Sonic. I'd like to show you how you can repair Internet Explorer from crashing, not responding, or anything that may harm Internet Explorer every now and then. How we get frustrated, like we try to get to a website and just not responding. So here's how I'm going to show you. First, I just go to Internet Explorer. At this icon over here is your tools. You want to click on that. Go to Internet Options. So here's the dialog. So you want to go to Advanced. Where is it? Advanced Setting. Then you want to scroll down and go to let's see, Reset Internet Explorer Settings. So you just want to reset from here, and then it'll tell you that like saying, are you sure you want to reset all Internet Explorer settings? Like, it will for a reset, it will disable the toolbars and add-ons and default with the browser settings and privilege and security, and advanced options, tap browser settings and pop-up settings. So go ahead and reset, and it has been successfully. Just hit OK, or should I say close. Then we got a message there that Internet has been reset. So we just have to close the browser and click on Internet Explorer, and there you have it. It has been fully restored. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below. As knowing me, I am a computer system support. See ya.